Hello everyone, I'm Kitcha. I cook, I eat and I'm hungry for more. Welcome back to Kitcha Tube HD, where today I'm going to be cooking something special. We're going to be making Palakkad Ulli Pakkavada. I got the idea for this few years back when I had it in a tea shop. So let's start cooking. Let's begin with adding these chopped onions. Some chopped green chilli, chopped ginger, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, fennel seeds and Asafoetida. Fennel seeds are optional, but I like the taste, so I'm adding them. I'm going to give it a small mix. It's better to mix with your hand because it brings out the moisture in the onions and mostly brings out the flavor. Just be a little bit careful when you finish. Also give it a nice squeeze while mixing so that the moisture in the onion comes out. Now you can see it's a beautiful orange color. After mixing for a bit, you can add the curry leaves. These are chopped curry leaves. Let's mix. Make sure to mix nicely because the curry leaves give a great taste to the pakoda. If you feel like it has been well mixed, go wash your hands and let's start adding the flours. We have Besan Flour or gram flour. Maida, rice powder. I'm adding rice powder so that it increases the crispiness. So if you like your pakoras really crispy, you can add some rice powder. Now give it a good mix. If you want, you can use a whisk, but I prefer using a spoon. And the main reason why Palakkad Ulli Pakkavada tastes so good is because of the special ingredient, Dosa Batte. It gives it a really amazing taste, and that's why that pakoda was different from the rest. It gives that mild sourness to the pakoda and just makes it overall really great. Let's now give it a nice mix. Now let's slowly add water to adjust the consistency. We need to be a really thick batter. Let's start slowly adding water. This is the perfect consistency. It's a pretty thick batter. Now let's keep it aside for at least 1 hour. The batter has been resting for 1 hour and I've kept some oil for heating. Now let's pour a little bit of oil into the batter. And mix. Adding hot oil to the batter prevents the pakoda from absorbing too much oil. I'll be adding baking soda now as it makes the pakoda puff up and become a little bit more crunchy. Mix nicely. And now let's get on with the fry. Now we're frying the pakodas. Get them in small. Well, they increase in size once you have started frying them. So the palakkad Ulli Pakkavada is ready. Let's taste. It's really crunchy. It's really good and you guys should try it out too and let me know how it turned out. So anyways guys, see you in the next video and you definitely can't stop eating one. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye guys.